So it's turning into a bit of a bigger job. Took that wall out now. These joists, we're going to batten them either side, some 3x2. Because this is only a 5-inch joist and took 3 inch out of it. It's not good. So that needs battening. If you're going through a joist, it's alright to drill a nice neat hole like that one. You can't just cut joist out like that. Do you know what I mean? Serves no purpose. No wonder it's bouncy. So we'll put 3x2 either side of that. Brace it along. Stem it up. See where the rats have been eating the electric cables. Got a lot of work in here. A lot of work. When we're doing something like this, first thing we need to do is see this wall here. This is the wall, what we have got, yeah? So what we have to do with this wall is, we have to square that wall and that wall. As you can see, the slants on everything. So it's fairly tricky. This wall, chances are this wall's not put in straight, but we govern with that wall because it's a bedroom wall. So what we have to do is we have to make sure we go square off here. So these floorboards here, can you see the angle on that? That's how far out it is. Because how we're going to get squared is we're going to put the tray in first. Push it right up to that wall, into that wall, and then along this edge, and then you know your square line. And then we can work off the tray, go that way, put the floor in, drill the joist, batten the joist, and so on and so on. Don't forget to like, share and follow. That's his wasting for the shower. See the slant? As part of a shower trap, we're going to have to cut that bit of joist out there, that section. But it don't matter, we're going to brace it on the other side and it'll be fine and dandy. But that is what you want. A nice long fall. It's just looking beautiful. Now what we're going to do is we're going to strengthen these joists up, sort that out. So to get out of something like this, yeah, there's several ways to do it. So what you can do is, in theory, take this block off, yeah, get an hanger, put an hanger there, and then get some joist, cut this off there, put an hanger on the joist and joist it, double joist it that way. But then you'd have to double joist it that way for that. So what we're going to do is going to do a simple fix. We can get a 3-inch 3x2 in there. We're going to run it along there and along the other side. We're going to glue it and we're going to clamp it together. Then we're going to fix it in and it'll be like a job in town. It'll last forever. We would have strengthened that, taken that out. Should never ever do that, ever. That is really bad practice. So we're going to crack on because I don't. To brace it on the other side, these joists are slanted, so it's a lot of messing about, and you're not going to achieve anything better than what we're going to do in the first place. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to crack on and get it done. Right, this is a PU adhesive. So PU adhesive. How we're going to do this? It's a bit tricky doing this by yourself while cameraman's filming, you know what I mean? But it's okay. I'll do it for the team. What we want to do is we're making it flush, yeah? So push that down. Wait, hold it, hold it. Nice. Yeah, we're on that. Roughly to that. We're not bothered about a little step because we'll clamp it down. Give me a gun with no nails in. I'm just going to get my nails and then we're going to nail it and then we're going to screw it. This is all live filming, and as you can see, my apprentice needs some training, do you know what I mean?
Too busy cleaning your camera.
Gotta be quick because this PU adhesive, this will dry within 10 minutes and then we're not going to be able to move it. See, it's getting dry now, and once this dries, you're never going to move this. Never going to move it. Yeah. Right, that'll do. Now what we're going to do is, I've got some right big bolts. I'm going to bolt that bump straight into that one. All the way down. All the way down. That way. That's going to be solid. And then what we're going to do is going to do the exact same on every single one. Just strengthen this floor up. And then in the centre of it, we're going to drop another internal floor. Internal into this joist. And then we're going to drop the tray on top of it. So the tray is going to go in the floor, and it's going to, so we're doing an internal floor, then the tray floor, and then the normal floor. So this floor is going to be solid. Do you know what I mean? It's going to be like Christmas. So repeat that. Make sure you bolt your bolts through it. Can't go wrong. Bish bash wash. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Now I've got into this stage. They feel more solid, more sturdy already. Do you know what I mean? So, what are you going to do now? Pull my pants up. We're going to cut some internal boards to go down there, down there, down there. Then we're going to cross this from this section here. Then the 1500 by 1500 tray is just going to drop in there like a dream. It's going to drop in there like a dream. We'll level it up. Because I'm sure, I think this house slants this way. So we'll level it up and it's not going to be as big a step there. There's only so far you can do because we're working on top of everything else. But what we can do is we can aim to do it 150%. So don't forget to like, share and follow. What we're doing now is we're just putting that's new installation, it's better than what we're in the floor. Just putting that back in, just to govern it. What you want to do is make sure you have a little bit of an expansion gap there, like that. Use your PU adhesive. Slot that in. Beautiful. And then I'm using some decent screws. But you know how it is. This moves. Shower leaks. Big problem. Big problem. Don't be shy with your screws. Trying to save 50p on a screw. £1,000 worth of damage. Remember, bit more lagging, and again, boom, straight in. I've done it like this so there can be some movement and it's not going to affect it, because no matter what, we're not going to stop all the movement. We're going to limit it, but we are not going to stop it. Carry on. That's it. There we go. So we've got a space for this wet room shower. Got his floorboards back in. Now we're going to build a stud wall there. Boom, straight around there. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So it's been very, very busy. Busy day. Look at that. Look at that. Is that not a thing of beauty? Compared to what it was. Got the waste pipe behind there. Got a new plumbing behind there. We just need to cut that off because we're putting a metal frame in there now from that leg. But everything's going dandy. What you want to be doing if you're doing this and you've got a wall with no cavity, you don't want rock wall in it. You want kingspan like that, because if rock wall gets damp, it's just going to soak it up. Kingspan, it'll never get damp. Or Selco, whatever you want. Whatever you want. Just as long as it's foam. Do you know what I mean? Bish, bash, posh. Don't forget to like, share and follow.